tricky part. Trying to loosen it as much as I can. Now the pins are like this way, like inwards, so we will have to push this outwards. So I'm trying to give force from this side. Give it a little bit of left, right, and then I think we're good to go. So I've opened my mouse. The only two issues which could be are that the switch is not actually working properly. So let's see. Yeah, the switch. If this is not working, then we might have issue. Or the second issue could be that these connectors are not having proper contact with the battery. And last, of course, your cell might be dead. So I don't know if I have a dead cell or don't, but I will try my old cell again. This did light up pretty well. And this is flickering. I think it got paired maybe. Yeah, it is working with my old cell also. So the cell is working perfectly fine. There's a full red flash. I did have a click test also. This is also working. DPI switch, let me check that. Yes, it does work. Okay, then I think my mouse is good to go. So the now thing is we'll have to again put it back, so we'll turn off this first. So I'll turn off the mouse. Obviously plug out the battery. I think everything is good. Let's tighten this back up properly. So putting this cover is pretty tricky. So as I said that the slots are like this. Let's focus on that. Yeah, so like this way it is. Now let's just try to slide them in place. You have to use a little bit of brute force and then you'll get it into proper position. The back clip is pretty decently weak, so it just clips on directly. Let me know if there's a clip here. Did I break it? What? Yes, it does. Okay, then now I just have to screw this in. All I'll be doing is putting the screw in, give it a few turns with my hand itself, and after I give it a few turns with my hand, I have to check if it's straight or not. So if it's not, I'll have to give it again. Try your best to put it straight and spin it. Once you see that it's going in straight, you can basically take your screwdriver and then simply tighten the screw in. It'll be pretty smooth. Right. A janky task. Made it enough tight so that it won't move at all. There is no panel gap over here, just check that. You can now have a test click. Once you think it's good, you can plug in your cell. Let me just do that. Okay, the click wasn't. Okay, let me just check. The positive is okay. That spring is squeaking, definitely. Okay. When red light flashes. Pairing. It's flashing on the device, camera, but then it's not flashing in real, so we'll just try to use it. And if you see, it is, let me just show you guys that it is working. Yes, so we do have it working, no issues. Right click is working, refresh. This is my regular DPI. Now let me just reduce it, stage 2 and then the stage 3. It is good, smooth. Okay, we had a lag here and it's stuck, so I don't know if it's my computer or it's because of the mouse.
After cross-checking again, I just realized that this Duracell was probably dead, or I don't know if it's totally over. I don't know how to check these cells, but I'm pretty sure as soon as I changed my cell, the mouse started working again. It is back smooth. It is working, no issues. I'll have to test one game though. After that I'll realize if it's working properly.